Hello everyone to lesson 26 of HTML Deep Understanding course. In this lesson we will know the computer code tags in HTML. Let's go and see what we have. First of all, we have here normal text. First of all, we will talk about the keyboard input. For example, imagine that we have a paragraph. Inside the paragraph we say for the user, click Ctrl plus is to save the file. Imagine that we need the Ctrl plus S to be written like it's an abbreviation for something, for the keyboard input. So how we could do that? We could do it with a tag called keypd. So when we write the keypd, it will do that. We should make space keypd. So then we have a closing tag for that. Ctrl X. We'll put it here. So let's see the normal text and see the text without that thing. Ctrl C. I will make here decline here with P. Save it. So now here we have click keypd. We see we will delete that thing there too. So this text is without the keypd, means keyboard input, but here with the keyboard input. So let's see what's the difference. Let's go to the place where I have the file, double click, and here is click Ctrl S to save the file. But the other thing, we have Ctrl S. Could you see the difference? There is a little bit difference in that thing. So the difference is that we tell the user to click Ctrl plus C to save the file. I'm sorry, there was a problem. It was key B, not key P. Look here. We have click Ctrl plus S, which means that we should, plus press Ctrl plus S to save the file. So you know from that thing that Ctrl plus S is something that you write with your keyboards. It's not the normal text like that. Look, Ctrl plus S. It's normal text. It's not more false meanings. So this is false meanings that we should enter Ctrl plus S, which is different from the other text. The second tag that we are gonna take is, let's delete that one. The second tag would be the samp, which is the output of the text. For example, I will write here paragraph. Inside the paragraph I write, this is the output of the computer. So let's put the output inside a tag, which would be samp. So here we have a closing tag. We'll put it outside the word. Control save it. So now we will refresh the website and see what you have. This is the output of the computer. So imagine that you have an output from your, or a message from your website to the user. So you could add it like that, output. We'll put it inside samp. Also, for example, it's error. For example, if you have an error, you need to write it like that. We will design it with red and I don't know what, but it seems that it's the output from the system, the output from the device that we are working with. The last point, or the last tag that we are gonna take, is something called code. Imagine that you have for example normal paragraph, and inside the paragraph we have HTML code, for example, or not HTML code, we have functional or mathematical functions or mathematical operations. For example, I will say x equal 10 and then y equal 5. Then we have z equal x plus y. So z equal 15. Yes. Let's see how is this would be. Refresh. It would be like that. Okay. So now if we need to be print like it was we have learned that it's like we have printed like that, so it would be printed like the spaces, the lines that we have learned before. So it will be like that. Okay, this is not our topic that we are talking about, but we need it to be print like it's code. We'll save that one and we'll write it here, and I will add a code which could code. So inside the code we will print the text that is that is inside it like an HTML or a plus or any programming code. So it would be printed like a code. Let's refresh. Look, it's like code, so you could know the difference. So the code tag could print the elements like it's code. Okay, so see here what do we have? It looks like it's a code. Okay, so by the way, the pre do the same work. So if you delete the pre, you will see that they are doing the same work, but the pre saves the new lines and the spaces, and look, the font is like the pre, but when you add the pre tag, it will save the lines and the spaces that we have added in the editor. So that was for this lesson, and see you in the next. Bye.